Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about use strict in JavaScript. So use strict is a directive that enables strict mode which enforces stricter parsing and error handling rules in our code. So the use strict is not a statement and it is ignored by the earlier version of JavaScript. So the purpose of the use strict is to indicate that the code should be executed in strict mode. So we can add the strict mode to the beginning of the script or the function. So all we have to do is inside the double quote or single quote we have to write use strict. And with the strict mode there are a lot of restrictions came into action. Like an example, with strict mode we cannot assign one value to a variable without declaring the variable. So you can see we're getting the reference error x is not defined. Because we have not defined x and try to assign the value, it will throw this reference error. But if we remove the strict mode, so now you can see the error has gone. So in strict mode we must declare one variable and then we can assign some value to it. And suppose we don't want the strict mode to be applied to the whole script, rather we want it to apply it to a specific function. Like an example, we have this function. So suppose we wanted to apply the strict mode only to this function and not the entire script. So for this we have to just move the use strict inside the function declaration and that's it. So now the strict mode is applied only to this function. So now if we try to assign some value to the variable without declaring it, so it is giving the same reference error. So it seems like strict mode is very inefficient, but in reality it helps to catch common coding mistakes which can promote cleaner and more robust code. So the strict mode enforces the previously accepted bad syntax into real errors. So previously there were some bad syntax. Now in strict mode it will throw real errors for those syntaxes. Now let's talk about few of the restrictions that came with the strict mode. First of all, we cannot assign a value to the variable without declaring it. It will throw error. So this will prevent any accidental creation of global variable. And also we cannot create one object without declaring it. So here you can see we are just directly assigning some value to this object. So this will throw error. But if we do this, so now the error is gone. So we have to declare it before we assign some value to the object. And also if we have some variable and then we cannot use the delete statement to delete it. So in strict mode we cannot use the delete statement to delete any variable or any functions. This will throw this syntax error. So in strict mode there are some words that cannot be used as variable names. Like an example, we have the eval, so we cannot write let eval equal 5. So eval cannot be used as variable name, and also we cannot use arguments as variable names. So these are reserved ones. And also we cannot use the eval function to declare variables. So eval is a function where inside we pass one string of JavaScript and the eval will execute the JavaScript for us. So previously we can create variables inside the eval, and if we console log the a, we are getting the error reference error, a is not defined. So here inside previously we used to create variables using var or let, but now with the strict mode we cannot do that. It will throw this reference error. And also there is one major change with the use strict is the property of the this keyword. So here we have the function and inside this we have this keyword. So in strict mode you can see we have undefined, but if we remove the strict mode you can see normally this keyword used to refer to the window object. So in strict mode this has a value of undefined. And also we have some reserved keywords that cannot be used as variable names. Like an example, we have the private, we have the protected, and also we have public, and also we have the interface. So these are few of the example of the words that cannot be used as variable names while using strict mode. So the question is, there are a lot of restrictions with the strict mode, so what is the benefit of using it at all? Actually it helps to prevent the unintended behavior and encourages better coding practice. So with the strict mode it will be a lot easier to fix the bugs in our code. So you can see these are the few restrictions that came with the strict mode in JavaScript. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.